Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this monitor is not working for some reason, maybe it's not connecting to the app or not connecting to your network or not syncing with the app properly or seems to be not responding, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you do decide you just want to buy a new monitor, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get this exact monitor. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to set this up new, you want to wipe everything off of it. This will go ahead and restore the factory default settings on it. Now, all you need to do is the button on the back of it, you're just going to come around to the back and press and hold the button on the back of the device, keeping an eye on this indicator light in the front. And you're going to hold the button for about 12 seconds until the LED light blinks purple. Once that happens, you can let go and then just let it do its thing until it blinks blue once, which means it's been successfully reset to the factory settings. And then you can go ahead and just set it up again like a new device.